Hey MB crew, want to be here. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video to my channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my lifestyle channel, Life as Wanna Be. It will be linked in the description box below and at the top of the iCard section above. And make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at MonaXBanks. Excuse my voice. It sounded real raspy because it was just my birthday weekend. I was doing a lot of screaming. So bear with me. Anyways, I know y'all like, Mona, we have not seen you with a wig on in so long. And you guys are right, I have not had a wig on in so long. And we just gonna go ahead and jump right into the details of this wig. As y'all seen by the title, this is a headband wig that you guys know has been trending all over social media. And I am here to share my thoughts on the first one I've tried. So this headband wig is from WigEncounters. I worked with them in the past. I really like the quality of their wigs. This one is in 16 inches. The density is 150. It's a natural black. The cap construction is a headband wig. The hair texture is straight kinky coarse. They do have a variety of different hair textures, but this is the hair texture that I chose. So make sure you guys check their link out in the description box below. And it also comes with 2 headbands. It said random hairbands will be sent for free for each headband wig order. So they will send you 2 headbands. I like the thicker ones. I don't really like the thin one that they sent, but I definitely do like the thicker one. So I definitely think that y'all should stick with the thicker ones because it just looks so cute. Y'all are gonna get to see me install this wig very shortly, but y'all know I like to come on and tell y'all my pros and cons of a unit, and y'all know I just gotta keep it real because that's what we do here on this channel. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the pros. So what I like about this wig is the hair is gorgeous, of course. Like, oh my goodness, kinky straight hair is like one of my favorite textures. Y'all know I love it. Y'all have seen me rock this texture in the past. I love it because it looks so pretty when you wand curl it. Like, it just looks so cute. Like, I look like I'm ready to go on the beach. On the beach. Y'all know kinky straight hair holds a really, really good curl. So I really love it. It's just so pretty. It's not heavy at all, you guys. So I definitely love that about it. I love how easy the application process is for this wig. This wig is a headband construction wig. Is definitely great for beginners because you don't have to worry about laying down lace. You ain't got to worry about trying to get the closure together. So if you're one of them people that don't got time for that, this gonna be the unit for you. Like, look at that. Baby hair. Baby hair. Baby hair. Look at that. Look at that. Like, girl, all you gotta do is braid your hair down, put your hair in a ponytail, put this on, you at the door. You can even wear it with just the, you know, the black band that's underneath. Or you can add another headband. Y'all know how I like to do my bandanas and everything. So I just love this. Like, I was like, this was so quick to put on. And I'm ready to go. I'm out the door. Put my headband wig on. We out here. Period. No, but for real. Love that. Like, the application process is so easy. So I know, like, you guys are always telling me, like, y'all don't do lace wigs, and I can relate. Although I have used to wear lace wigs a whole lot, and I don't wear them as much anymore, this is way more convenient because I can have my hairline out. Honestly, I don't even gotta have my hairline out. If I want to, you know what I'm saying, you can push it all the way back and put this on and you good to go. But y'all know me, I'm gonna have my edges out. So I love that. I love the length of this unit. I like the construction of the unit. Like, I like how it's really, really full. They can make it in different densities. Just love how easy the application is. Now, the cons that I do have of this unit is I believe they're one size fits all. They don't come in a variety of sizes like most wigs. You know how wigs come in small, medium, large, cap sizes. I do feel like this definitely should come in different sizes because I have a super small head and I had to pull my band all the way to the end with the elastic because it snaps with elastic. So I definitely will recommend you guys, WigEncounters, to go ahead and do different sizes of the wigs. Do different sizes of the wigs. Do small cap, medium cap, and large cap. Even though I get the reason why they didn't is because it's a headband wig and you have the ability to adjust it. But I still feel like for people that have small heads like me, yeah, I definitely need like a cap size small for sure. Like, that definitely would have helped me out a lot better because I cannot put this wig up in a ponytail. You are supposed to be able to put this unit up in a ponytail, but since it's a little bit too large for my head, I cannot put it up into a ponytail because it's going to flap up at the top because it's a little loose in the back. But for those of you that have like a medium to large head, this is going to fit your head great. You're not going to have any problems. It's going to fit your head so good. But yeah, for me, I will only be able to wear this unit down. Yeah, down so I can wear it like straight or, you know, blown out or like the curls how I have it today. So I definitely feel like please work on different cap sizes. That would be great. That would really be great. And also I would definitely say, I think you guys should still leave that elastic strap, the elastic band that's actually, you know, in most wigs there's elastic band at the back of the unit to pull the unit in. I definitely think those need to be added in. I feel like if I had the elastic straps, it would have pulled in tighter, and that's exactly what I needed for my small head. So please put the elastic band back at the back. Although this is a headband wig and I get it, it has the band, but we need those elastic straps at that nape of the wig, okay? So those are the only cons that I have of the unit. This is an overall gorgeous unit, very easy to use, very on the go, girl on the go, businesswoman. You know what I'm saying? Like it's very much given like, girl, I'm here and you don't gotta do too much and I'm gonna look good and I'm gonna look bomb. The unit gave me minimal shedding. It's a beautiful unit. The hair is soft, the hair is flowy. Yeah, the hair is flowy, the hair is cute, and I am totally loving it. So you guys will have to let me know in the comments what you guys think of the new headband wigs. I'm going to go ahead and get into the install portion of this video. Alright you guys, so when you receive your unit, it's going to come in a box like this that says WigEncounters. It also comes with a pamphlet to let you know what you got. It has a wig cap and it also comes with these cute little headbands. Here is the inside look of the unit. As you guys can see, it is a stretch cap. It has 4 wig combs in the inside. It also has the band, as you guys can see, that is constructed very nicely. I love the fabric, and it has Velcro at the ends to strap into place on your head. So this is just what the hair texture looks like straight out of the packaging, you guys. And this is just a unit right out of the box. Overall, it is in good condition. It came looking really nice, so I was really happy about that. I went ahead and co-washed it, and this is what the hair looks like wet. So I did go ahead and blow dry the wig off camera, and now I'm just going in with my hot comb at the top just to kind of smooth out the top of the unit a bit more. But this is optional. You don't have to do this. I just decided to go ahead and do it before I finish wand curling the hair. So basically, I decided to put wand curls in the hair because I love wand curls on like kinky, coarse hair or kinky straight hair. So I'm just spraying some Got To Be Glue Freeze spray just so that the curls will give an extra hold and will really stay in the hair for an extended period of time. And then I'm just going to take my wand curler and wand the hair. Now you can wear this hair straight and blow dry. It's up to you. This hair can be colored, bleached, and things like that, you guys. This hair held a curl so well, so I definitely love this hair. WigEncounters came through. Don't play with them. And the hair gave me minimal shedding, you guys. I didn't have hardly any shedding, maybe a few little strands of hair. So I was like, yes, that is definitely a plus. Right, so now it's time to go ahead and install the unit. I'm going to go in with some edge booster, edge control, and I'm going to lay my baby hairs down. Now you guys don't have to do this. You could literally just comb your edges back and the wig will still look bomb on, but y'all know me. I like to go ahead and slay my edges, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to go ahead and apply my wig cap. I do cut mine at the back so that they're not tight on my head. So I'm just going to go ahead and get that all situated. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the unit to my head now. You can style the unit while it's on your head, but I just prefer to style my unit off. I just wanted to show you guys that it does have like little baby hairs at the back, just in case you wanted to put it up into a bun or a ponytail. So as you guys can see, it's a really simple installation. You literally just put it behind your baby hair or right at your hairline. It's up to you. And then you're just going to adjust the band as tight as you would like or how loose you would like using the Velcro. The Velcro is really long, so it definitely gives you enough room to get the wig situated on your head how you would like it. Now that the wig is on how I want it, I'm going to take my fingers and run my hands through the curls a little bit to loosen them up and get, you know, the hair situated on my head how I would like it to look. Decided to go with the feather headband because it's the one that I like the most. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my head. You might want to actually put this around your neck before you put the wig on. I didn't think about that till after the fact. And then I'm just going to apply it right over the black band, as you guys can see, and adjust it to how I want it to look. So I had a few curls that I wanted to touch up at the front of the unit, so that's basically what I'm doing here. Right, you guys, and this is the finished look of the headband wig. It looks so cute, so realistic. I love how I have my own hairline out, my baby hairs. I love it. It's just so flowy and pretty and bouncy. It has so much body. So make sure you guys check out WigEncounters. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The unit that I'm wearing will be also linked in the description box below, as well as my coupon code. So make sure you use it for your purchase. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.